Harpreet here. Today we'll look into variables in Power Apps. There are two types of variables in Power Apps, local variable and global variable. Local variable can be used within the same screen only, and the syntax for local variable is this. And we have global variable. So global variable can be used anywhere in the app, and the syntax for this is here. Let me switch back to my Power App Studio to show you how it works. I'll add some controls to show you all how both the global and local variable works. Now, here I'm adding one button control and one label control. So, on the onSelect property of a button, we will set our global variable. So, the syntax for the global variable is set variable name and the value for that particular variable. So here I'm giving where domain is my variable name, comma, whatever value I want to give it. So this is my global variable where domain and the value for that is Power Platform. So now I'm setting the label control default value to that variable value, which is where domain. Okay. Okay. So now let us see what is there. On select of the button, I want to see Power Platform. Here you go. So this is how global variable works. Now it works on all the screens. So on the screen number 2, I'll add one another label, and on the default text, I'll add the global variable. And here we can see the same thing. Okay. So now I'll move to local variable. For that, I'll add one another button control and another label control. So on the onSelect property, I'll set the local variable. So the syntax for that is update context and curly braces and variable name followed by colon and then variable value, which is canvas. So this is the syntax for local variable. And now on the default text of that label control, I'll add where app, which is my local variable. Now I'll run and see. On select, I want to see canvas app. Okay. So this is how local variable works. Now it only works on the same screen. So if I want to see, I am adding another label control on here, and when I am putting the default text as variable app, there is no local variable available on the other screen. So which shows that only global variable is available on all the screen, not local variable. Thank you all. Follow for more such videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.